hold on, I like to make these topics very simple so that, like I tell people, law is not made for a larger population alone. There are principles of this law that you can apply in your circle even before you get to that point where you're asking the court, please, something has gone wrong. Come and interpret this situation for us. Come and apply this, your law, to this situation and give me solution. There are instances. Let me give you 4 examples where you can see the principle of domestic and social arrangements at work. Number 1 is where somebody invites you. Somebody gives you an invitation to attend a social gathering. The law is not seeing it as a contract. No. You can choose to attend. That is why somebody is going for a child dedication and invites you to attend. You may choose not to, you may choose to go. And that is the reason why when you choose not to attend, the person cannot do anything about it. If the person also decides, please don't come anymore, or it's not holding again, you cannot also hold that person responsible for anything. That is one example. Number 2 example is when there is an unwritten agreement between family members, between friends. We just talked, we just laugh, we discuss, but there is nothing written down. The law is not seeing it as an intention to create a legally binding and enforceable contract. When you are in a family setting, you now agree with your siblings, you agree with family members, you make plans how to share events, how to share activities. That is not an intention to create a legal contract. Okay? All those discussions that you have in your private circles, it is not contract that you intend to create. So the law is not looking at it that, you see this man, you see this woman, you see this boy, you see this girl, they intend to create a contract. They intend that this discussion should be binding on each and every one of them. You see the peculiarity of a domestic kind of arrangement, and we are talking about an intention to create a legally binding contract. This is Xavier Law Essence. Here we give you premium legal tips to help you make informed decision, live informed life, and discover the best version of yourself. We'll see you.